Good morning, ma'am.
Good
morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who was this yawning and saying good morning?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. What we are going to do today?
Ma'am, key points.
The key points
Ma'am,
of
key points.
chapter 12. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Till
Good
where
morning,
have you done?
ma'am.
Till what number have you done, beta?
Ma'am, today we have to start key points.
Acha, we have to start.
we have-
We've not yet started.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you will send or ma'am, you will dictate.
I will write. I will write on the screen and you're going to do the same work. Fine.
Yeah, okay.
Take out your copies.
Ma'am, taken out and put the heading also.
Put the heading. Very nice. Very good. Write down today's date
Sorry, ma'am.
and the heading.
Ma'am, I have written the heading on the date 21.
Acha, we had written, but we have not started.
Yes, ma'am. 24.
Good morning, ma'am.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Ma'am, these key points are of 12th chapter.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, beta. Yes, they are of 12th chapter.
ma'am, why you?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in the first
but
one,
I
ma'am, in the
have
first
done the
one, why
key
you have
points
written the
and they are
capital?
different.
Beta, you must have done it in the online class. Yes?
Ma'am, I was going offline. But I have written the same. The numbers are different.
The number may be different, but the key points are same. Write it.
But then I don't have to write. I have already written.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I'm coming. I'm going to take my copy. Because ma'am, I'm sitting in my terrace.
Ma'am, how many key points are there?
Beta 18 key points.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in fifth one, what is written after Kashmir? Ma'am, in the fourth one, what you written after T? Written after Kahwa, a logical tea drink is made in tea.
Beta Kehwa, a local tea drink, is made in tea urns called samovars.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think there should be H after ma'am Ladakh in the sixth one.
Where beta? Which H are you talking about?
Ma'am, in the sixth Son, I think
Yeah.
Ladakh. Some
Ladakh or Ladakh. KH, it should be KH, you are saying.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, because in the book it
And
is
ma'am,
also
H should be
given.
removed after HD.
What should be removed?
LA. Ma'am, I'm doing the spelling. LADAKH.
Yes, ma'am.
Ladakh. Okay. Ladakh.
Ma'am, because it is given in the book also.
Yes.
Ma'am, Kanav is saying, please unmute me.
And me, but I have not muted him only. Where is Kanav? Let me find Kanav.
I'm in the fifth one. What you written after is.
Fifth one is Firan. PHIRAN. Firan.
What you have written? Fourth one. What you have written after T?
Tions. Tions called samovers. You want to see what samovar is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in
Kanav, now
one,
unmute
what is
yourself.
written?
Kanav, see if you can be unmuted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the sixth one, it's written 2 districts and ma'am, Kargil.
Ma'am, Kanav has sent one ma'am screenshot in that.
These
the
are
group.
the key points of chapter 12.
are there?
Beta, there are 18 key points.
But
Ma'am, please
But
share
ma'am,
the
we can
screen.
unmute and ma'am, we can mute and unmute.
Acha
Ma'am, in the
beta,
Kanav's screen, it's showing the host is not allowing to
he must be happy. Children, will
Ma'am,
you
please share the screen.
keep talking? Keep talking.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Please share the screen.
What is the seventh one?
First, let me show you what samovers are. Just wait.
Papa. Ma'am, please share the screen.
Now see, these are tions or samovers. Kehwa is made in these kind of tea vessels. Can you see how beautiful they are?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have seen it in Google.
See, this kind of a vessel it is made in and it is then served in these kind of cups.
Ma'am, please
So,
wait for a minute.
These are samovers.
yes,
These are used.
yes, they are used.
Ma'am, it's a name to samovers and tea.
Please
Yes.
wait for a minute.
It's called,
Nowadays, they are used in Kashmir.
Can I show you Bhavya? Ma'am,
Only in Kashmir or other places too.
ma'am, can I show you Bhavya?
It is-
ma'am, how the fire
it is
goes
used
inside,
in,
but
it
ma'am,
is, it is used in Russia as well.
how it catches fire? Can I share you Bhavya? Ma'am, can I share you Bhavya? Ma'am, how but we can give fire to it?
See, beta, it is made. There is a provision given at the bottom. From there, heat is
Ma'am, can
provided.
you
to
see
it.
my screen? Okay, ma'am.
I can't see your screen. Who is
Ma'am, like,
showing me?
ma'am, I Bhavya. Ma'am, I
Wait,
Bhavya.
wait. Let me see where you are. Wait.
I am just closing my
Yes, Bhavya, I can.
virtual bag.
Where are you?
Ma'am, if I go to
Ma'am, can you share
yes.
the key points?
Kashmir, I will drink Kahwa. Ma'am,
Yes, Bhavya. Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can you share
ma'am,
key
do you-
points?
Oh my
ma'am,
God.
can you?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we start the key points?
Yes, beta, we are starting. So impatient you people get. You're getting to
Ma'am?
see something new.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I show one magic?
You want to show some magic. Hmm?
No, ma'am, only one, not some.
Now, what magic you want to show?
Ma'am, please see this
Kiran?
magic trick.
Who wants to show?
Ma'am,
Arav?
it is my thumb, and ma'am, now it is broken.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now it
just
is
Karan,
broken.
ma'am, me, just Karan and Arav.
Actually, I know this
It
trick.
is my thumb.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know. Thumb.
Hmm. Very nice, beta. Beautiful trick. है ना? Now, can you please show us this trick with your little finger? If you are a magician, show it to us with the little finger also. Yes, Arav?
Ma'am, me.
Yes, you. You only showed, na?
Ma'am, what it-
Show it with the little finger.
ma'am, I can't show it.
That means you're not a magician.
Ma'am, because
Yes. What?
I want to do this magic trick and I will hide a pencil.
Chalo, now let's get back to our study. Okay, let's get back to our key
Ma'am,
point.
Yes, ma'am.
Enough.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
once
just
it's
Karan.
got a magic lamp.
Yes. 8 key point.
number 10.
There are 18 key points.
Ma'am, please write. Ma'am, please, ma'am, can you please describe? Ma'am, can you please pronounce that what is written after the in the 8th one?
The Zojila Pass and the Nathula Pass are the two passes in Ladakh. Mute yourself. Oh, I left this point incomplete, the 7th one.
Yes, ma'am. That's I want to say only after passage.
Hmm.
I also feel that after passage.
But ma'am, I have written the 8th and the 9th one. So ma'am, I have to erase that.
No, don't erase. Just add for people to cross the mountains. A mountain pass is a natural passage for people to cross the mountains.
Ma'am, in the 7th one, what is after the?
In 7th one, what is after?
Ma'am, the to cross the.
For people to cross the mountains.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the 8th one, you written the Zojila.
Yes, it's Zojila Pass. What is wrong?
Ma'am, in 8th one, we have to write Zojila. We have to write it अलग हमें लिखना है मैम.
हाँ बेटा बुक में भी तो अलग अलग है. बुक में अलग नहीं है.
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, now I'm waiting. Don't worry. Do these 10 key points. Then we are going to read
I
them.
am on the 9th one.
Yes, very good.
I'm done.
Ma'am, I have done the 8th one, but ma'am, I have erased to write the 7th one because ma'am, I didn't leave the line to write the
Okay.
that you have.
Ma'am, I am in 9th.
Ma'am, I have done till 10.
Ma'am, I have also done till 10. Ma'am, I have done till 10. Ma'am, I'm on 8th one. Ma'am, in 8th one, what you have written after the?
In 8th one, the Zojila Pass and the Nathula Pass.
Now I am highlight.
Ma'am, please tell the underlined word.
Ma'am, please fill the underline word.
Wait, beta, wait. Let everybody
Ma'am,
write, then I will tell
ma'am.
from the beginning.
Ma'am, when we will write Nathula, so we will write a capital letter.
No, L you will write Nathula, L you will write small.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done till 10.
Ma'am, I have done Arav.
Everyone has done all these 10 key points.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am on the 6th one.
5 minutes more. Just complete it. Hurry up and finish it off.
Ma'am, now can we?
Okay, now listen, everyone. Pay attention to what I say. I will not repeat. In the first sentence, Jammu and Kashmir has 2 capitals. Now underline Jammu and winter capital to be underlined. Jammu is the winter capital. Jammu is to be underlined and winter capital. Similarly, Srinagar, summer capital, is to be underlined.
Ma'am, please tell again. Ma'am, please tell again.
I will not repeat. Just listen to me once very carefully, beta. All of you pay attention to what I'm saying now. Jammu is the winter capital. Srinagar is the summer capital, in which you have to underline the word Jammu, winter capital, Srinagar, summer capital. Next sentence, saffron. Next capital, floating vegetable market. Next sentence,
Ma'am, what is the second one? I cannot listen because
saffron.
of some network.
Saffron,
And ma'am, please tell the third one again.
floating vegetable market.
Tell the first one again. First one.
Jammu, winter capital. Srinagar, summer capital.
I don't know my highlighter. Ma'am, please tell the fourth.
Kehwa. Underline the word Kehwa in the fourth sentence. And last 4 words, tea urns called samovars. Next, Kargil and Leh. Underline the name of 2 districts of Ladakh. Kargil and Leh.
Ma'am, we don't have to underline in the fifth one.
Oh yes, I missed the 5th one. Firan. Underline only the word Firan.
Ma'am, I can't listen the sixth one. Can you please tell me?
In the 6th sentence, Kargil and Leh. Kargil and Leh are to be underlined.
Ma'am, Leh for Leh Ladakh.
Yes.
Ma'am, fifth.
Firan.
Ma'am, can you tell second, third, fourth, and fifth?
Why? What were you doing while I was telling?
My highlighter is not working, so I was finding a new highlighter.
Yes, ma'am, mine is also not working properly.
In the
Ma'am,
seventh
can you tell
one,
the seventh one?
what we underline? Do we have to underline in the
Ma'am,
seventh
please.
one?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see
Ma'am,
I'm
is
underlining on the
underlining.
screen? Can you see? Bas,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
wait for me to underline.
क्या है ये? आलू का हो गया सब
Ma'am, in 10th one, we have to only underline. Ma'am, I have highlighted and done.
Everyone has done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am, I am. No, ma'am, I met only eight one.
Okay, what time does the class get over?
Yes, ma'am. I have done. 11:30. 11:30.
11:40. Okay, we have enough time.
No, ma'am.
11:30.
11:30. Let's do 2 more points. Fine?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Please, I am on the 8, 9, 10, 10. Just I am on the 8. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have done Rena. Ma'am, I have done Mokshit. Ma'am, I have done Rasya. Oh. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, we will write only 12 today. Ma'am, done. Just gonna check the
We will do only 12 today. Everyone complete your work, underline, highlight, make it nice. This is all for today.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. I'm underline. See. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Please correct. Ma'am, what is the meaning of monasteries?
Monasteries is a place where Buddhist monks live. Beta,
Okay, ma'am.
can't you hear? Can't you hear? I'm already speaking. You have to do all the excuse me's in between while I'm speaking. Can't you wait for me to finish?
Ma'am, this work sent on the group.
No, beta, you don't have to send it anywhere.
Ma'am, I have done the highlighting.
I have done. Ma'am, I also have done highlighting too.
Ma'am, I have also done the highlighting.
Yes, those who have done can leave the meeting. Those who are doing, keep doing. Finish your work and
Bye,
then
ma'am.
leave. Yes.
Hi, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.